At a United States Air Force base, one of the most iconic strategic bombers prepares for long-range operations. Behind it, more strategic bombers line the runway. The B-52 Stratofortress has served as a long-range bomber for generations. Its massive wings and engines were designed for endurance and global reach. Even on the ground, the scale of this bomber fleet is impressive.
Distance checks complete. Secure missiles on trailer 3. Roger that.
Each piece of equipment is positioned with precision. Highly trained crews coordinate every stage of preparation.
Vehicles move equipment safely across the airbase.
All preparations take place beneath the massive structure of the B-52 bomber. The B-52 carries multiple engines, designed for long-range endurance and reliability. Landing gear supports the massive weight of the strategic bomber during ground operations. Its enormous wings allow the aircraft to carry fuel and equipment across vast distances.
The aircraft's cockpit sits high above the runway, giving pilots a commanding view of the base.
Multiple bombers can be prepared simultaneously at large strategic airbases. Specialized trailers transport mission equipment safely beneath the aircraft.
Move equipment efficiently across the base. Operation depends on coordinated teamwork from ground crews.
Checkpoint is clear. Status screen. Roger that. Roger that.
Strategic air bases provide the space and infrastructure required for bomber operations. The B-52 Stratofortress remains a symbol of long-range air power. From above the runway, the scale of the strategic bomber fleet becomes clear. Each aircraft stands ready as part of a coordinated bomber force. The enormous wingspan creates a shadow across the runway below.
Engines provide the endurance needed for long-distance missions.
Long runways support the operations of large strategic aircraft. Ground equipment supports every stage of preparation. Continuously across the base during preparation. The silhouette of the B-52 has defined strategic aviation for decades. The silhouette of the B-52 has defined strategic aviation for decades.
Long runways allow strategic bombers to operate safely at large airbases.
The massive wingspan stretches across the runway below.
Aircraft's long-range endurance.
Gear supports the bomber during ground operations.
Equipment trailers position mission gear beneath the aircraft. Ground crews prepare equipment with precision and coordination. The long fuselage reflects decades of strategic bomber design. Multiple bombers can be staged simultaneously during operations. Its shadow reflects the scale of the aircraft.
The B-52 Stratofortress remains a cornerstone of long-range aviation.
The distinctive tail design has defined the bomber's profile for decades.
Strategic airbases allow multiple bombers to operate side by side.
Bomber's wings stretch across the runway with impressive scale. The silhouette of the B-52 remains instantly recognizable.
Engines power the aircraft for extended missions.
Strategic air bases coordinate aircraft, crews, and equipment.
Even after decades of service, the B-52 remains a powerful strategic aircraft.
From bases like this, long-range bombers continue to support global operations.